Hello everybody, this is going to be kind of a exhaust baffle shootout to an extent. So, can't really see in there, but I took the stainless steel packing I had around my mini baffles off because it was just trying to shoot out the end of it because it wasn't actually tied to anything. So this is the 4-inch mini baffle without any packing. It's a little bit louder than it was, so it actually did take some of the sound out. Alright, now I'm going to take them out and run it with straights, and then I've got some homemade baffles we're going to try, so I'll take them out here in just a second. Alright, I got the baffles taken out, so I'm going to get the key back out. This is just straight, and these are the factory header pipes with 1 3/4 inch straight pipe. I do actually like the sound better, it's just kind of loud. Alright, so yeah, it's a bit too loud. So I've actually made these baffles, which they've got 5 louvers on each side that I just cut with a die grinder and punched in. And then, I don't know if you can see that in there. Basically, I just sliced the sides and bent them in and welded it to make a divider. So it's gonna split the exhaust gases and travel down the sides and then re-enter on these grooves on both sides. I'm hoping when they re-enter, the two split pulses will re-collide with each other and cancel out. But I don't know what frequency that's actually going to happen at, so it'll be interesting to see if this reduces any sound at all. So we'll find out. It'll add a little bit of back pressure because of that piece in there. But I'll get them put in and then we'll start it up. Okay, I got the baffles in, so we will see what they sound like. So they are slightly quieter than open pipes, but they did retain the sound, which is exactly what I wanted. I might have to go in and add some more holes or something to try and get it to be a little bit quieter. But overall, I'm much happier with that. I don't think it's going to have as much back pressure, so I'll have to see what effects that has since I have not jetted it.